thank you so much again for taking the time to just speak with everyone here, just to go briefly about NHS. And the whole idea is to do one hopefully next month where you can go more into detail because you have so much more program, more, also in addition to Sony Ma. So maybe you can go briefly into them. I know I didn't put those slides in there, but maybe if you can share that with us, that would be great. So
no problem. Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for having me, Rosa, and the whole team. I look forward to being able to assist you guys in the future next time we get together with a little bit more details. But let's get right into it right now. So my name is Danielle Reed Harris. I am a program coordinator with NHS of Queens. We're located right in Woodside. And I'm very excited to talk to you about our homeownership program. What it does is that we do housing counseling. You can schedule a one-on-one. If you could stay there, Rosa, for me for a moment. You could do one-on-one counseling with me. Sign up so that way you can just get pre-qualified. That's my information located. And we do financial coaching as well as we have job opportunities that we work with our colleague David Bogoa as well. Financial coaching is and counseling is if you are running into financial hardship and you know that you want to buy, but you need to clean up some of the things. You can go to the next slide. Okay, so the services that we have available in the Woodside office are pre-purchase counseling, which I actually mandate and I handle. That's one-on-one counseling. We discuss everything from A to Z about you buying your house for the first time. I also get into your credit, what you can actually qualify for based on your grants. And there are several grants outside of Sony Mae as well that there are available, and you can layer them on top of one another. I also assist with the home buying education classes, actually run that program. You can actually take them online with us, as well as we're doing online classes on Zoom as well. And you can schedule that at any time based on giving us a call so we can help you. But you always want to get your counseling first so that way you know what you qualify for. The down payment and closing costs assistance program that will cover your down payment and your closing costs based on any of the grants that are available to you. They all cover different areas. And the financial capabilities program will assist you along with that as well, making sure that all your debt to income ratios meet. And if there's any issues, if there's any judgments, any charge-offs, any student loan issues that you're having, remember, we're just coming out of COVID. So we want to make sure that we get all your financials straight. And we have someone that can actually help you do that in our office at this time. And it's a wonderful program and it's free. So you need to take advantage of that while the cost is low. You can go to the next slide. Okay, great. So what is a first-time home buyer grant, right? The grant is targeted specifically for those buying their first home and perhaps a starter home. It could be co-op condo guys and 1 to 4 families. The grants will stop at 4 families because anything above that is considered mixed use. I'm sure Rosa will talk to you about that when she's taking you out. You'll have your pre-approval in hand from one of the lenders, and she'll let you know that, your primary home, if it's going to be a multi-unit, you're going to want to make sure that you understand the process. There's grants available to you if you need that grant process. They're available to a variety of entities, governmental, community organizations, and nonprofits like ourselves. Each grant comes with its own terms and eligibility requirements, but generally applicants must. This is a norm. You must be a first-time home buyer. You must have had home buying education. Any of the grants that is given to you through the state or the city or any of the lenders, you will have to be educated in that process. They don't want anyone buying a home and not know what they're getting into. No predatory lending, and no one taking advantage of you. They want to make sure that someone's assisting you, and that's what we do here at the nonprofit. You hold your hand through the actual process. All right. You must have satisfactory income requirements, meaning all your pay stubs and everything should be in line. You should have 24-month history and satisfied purchase price requirements. What is that? Satisfying purchase price requirements means that there are some limitations to the purchase prices. You can't go above a certain amount or you can't go below a certain amount. They want to make sure that you're meeting all the terms and agreements if you're going to get these grants, because so many people are looking to get them. So not everyone will be approved for them, but that's why you come to the nonprofit myself, to make sure you can get some assistance to find out if you do qualify. Very important. There's purchase price limits and income limits on all of them. You must occupy this property as your primary residence. The reason why they're giving you these grants is to make sure that they're sustaining neighborhoods. It's about sustainability. You want to make sure that they are living in the homes for anywhere between 5 to 10 years, depending on the grant that's being given. And you want to make sure that they're occupying the home as a primary residence. Okay, there are some residency clauses in some different grant programs, and we'll talk about that further the next time I see you guys. I am purchased an approved location. What that is, the approved locations are if some of the lenders are looking to give you a grant that they have available for you. Sometimes they follow the FFICE.gov website, where if there's a low to moderate income neighborhood or any of the LMI locations, they can approve the property based on that. And that's for the grant itself. A lot of them have grant programs, and they don't do the grant unless they fall into those locations. So that's why you sit with us, you go over everything, and we find out what areas you're looking in. That's one of the first things I ask you. Where do you want to live? And that way you'll be set up and know what you can be approved for and what you cannot. And then the Collado team will take you out to look at some properties in those areas that you're looking for. Next, please. All right. So the home buying education is usually 8 to 10 hours. That is in person. Right now, we are doing them online since we have been hit with the pandemic. There's a lot of things that have been changed. Currently, the curriculums that you are going to see when you take the classes, Are You Ready to Buy? Budget and credit counseling, and shopping for a home. Also, getting a mortgage and protecting your investment. Those are the actual modules that you'll go through. The one-on-one counseling from me is $75. The class is $125, the ones that we do on the actual webinar, but the ones online are $99. Right now, the one is $99 that is being offered, and it's self-guided. So if you want to start your class today and you want to finish it next week, you can. You can go at your own pace. That's one of the positive things about it. If you reach out to us, I'll tell you how to set that up. But I want you to make sure you give us a call and let us know that you're interested in the process. And I'll make sure that I have someone that can help you, walk you through it, and then also counsel you. That'll be myself. Please choose NHS and make sure that if you are going to take the class without me even knowing, because a lot of people jump on before ahead of time, please choose NHS of Queens, or I will not know that you've taken the course. They prompt me to let me know who's taking the classes, so that way I can talk to them about it and make sure that you receive your certificate upon graduating from the class. Okay, if you have any questions, please make sure you reach out to me. My extension is 01. As you can see, the number is posted, the email addresses for my office. We are working remotely. We're on a tri-schedule right now. We're slowly going back into the office, but I look forward to helping anyone buy their home for the first time. Please make sure you reach out to me. And also, if you have any financial questions, you can always reach out to Mr. Trinidad, just Joel Trinidad. And if you're looking for someone that's looking for assistance for job opportunities, David Bagoa as well. He has a wonderful program to assist people with finding jobs. And thank you so much for having me, Rosa. I appreciate it. And I look forward to doing something with you in the near future.
Thank you so much for your time. And I love what you said. One of the most important things that people should do is reach out to you to see if they even qualify. Because I have a lot of people that listen to my YouTube videos and they go online and realize that they don't qualify. They spend their time and their money. So it's very, very important that they reach out to you. Here's her phone number, her email. I am going to also share the slides with everyone, so you guys will have all this information as well. And again, this is going to be on Facebook group page. So you will be able to watch this at your pace. I know we were going very fast. So if you have questions, you can go back and reach out to each individual for them specifically.
Great. No problem. So thank you so much. If you need any help, I'll be here. I'll hang out for the questions.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.